Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is dropping sharply minus 2.58% right now. The indices are also in a quite delicate situation. The mega cap stocks are in red territory as well. We see that SPY is trying to do a top sign. However, unlike Tesla, which is in a correction since August 4, SPY and QQQ are not. They are still bullish. They broke their August 4th high over here and they are still clearly bullish. So what could possibly happen on Tesla if the indices trigger their top signs, start their pullbacks? Could Tesla drop to lower levels? Could it possibly lose its 21 EMA and drop to the 800s again? Well, we are going to discuss all of this, all of the possibilities regarding Tesla's price action in this video. Just first remember, my dear friends, to click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe if you are not my subscriber yet, because I'm here every single day keeping you guys updated on Tesla, NIO, Apple, AMD, many other stocks. This channel is all about technical analysis and price action. And if you want to have access to further analysis, more insights, more trading ideas, consider my newsletters like the weekly recommendations, my personal portfolio. I share the stocks that I trade with you guys here on this newsletter. The recommendations are all given in this document. I share many details regarding our portfolio. I share my performance, but of course my performance is totally public. You may just check my website to have access to every single one of my past trades since 2021. And of course the Market Dive daily newsletter. Every single day I'm sharing my personal insights and a few more details regarding the price action on SPY, Tesla, NIO, Apple, and many other stocks. For instance, on August 3, I told you guys the key points when Tesla was trading near the resistance. The key point is 928 and the support level is at 885. These are the most important key points in Tesla on August 3. And it is very easy to understand why 885 was the key point. This point was a previous support level in Tesla. It retested this point 2 times on August 1 and on August 2. And right now, it seems this point is working as a resistance level for Tesla. So it is indeed the most important key point for it. If Tesla breaks 885 for good, not only violating this point briefly like it did yesterday and today, we must actually break this area. And keep in mind, 885, it's an area. It's not the specific number. It's more like a key point, a key area that we should keep our eyes open. And right now, we still couldn't close above 885 or trade consistently above this resistance. We tried to break it yesterday and today. However, Tesla failed miserably. If we actually break 885 doing a bullish candlestick pattern, closing above it, trading above this point, then I will be more convinced that Tesla is going to indeed reverse the trend in the short and will continue the bullish sentiment in the midterm as well, because the midterm sentiment is still clearly bullish. Right now, we are doing a pullback to its support level, which is totally fine. This movement, although it's quite frustrating because the indices, they didn't correct so far, but this movement is totally plausible. To me, this only occurred because after the annual shareholder meetings over here, we dropped it sharply in the following days. So I think this is just the volatility speaking. However, it is a totally acceptable and plausible movement. As far as I know, this is just a pullback. As long as Tesla remains above 842, the trend, the bias will remain clearly, strongly bullish. Oh, Nathan, what if we lose 842? Or an even more intelligent question, what it takes for Tesla to lose the 842 and frustrate your bullish bias over here in the midterm? Well, if we pay attention to the indices, especially on SPY. QQ, I'm so sorry, especially on QQQ, the Nasdaq index, the Nasdaq ETF, we are doing a top sign just under a resistance level. If we trigger this top sign and in sequence triggering a pullback on QQQ, I do believe we're going to drop a little bit more, maybe to fill this gap down here. This is a real possibility. Ideally, in the perfect world, we would seek the 21 EMA along with this red line at 314, making this point a dual support area for QQQ. So remember, it is a support area. I don't see a specific price level on it, but still, if we correct to that point, would be totally perfect. This is exactly what Tesla is doing right now. So that's okay. That's totally expected. Since it is a bull trend, any pullback would be just an opportunity to buy at a cheaper price level. But since Tesla already corrected to its support level, if the indices drop to their EMAs as well, to their EMAs or to their previous support levels, Tesla could drop a little bit more, right? Yes, in that case, I believe Tesla is going to lose the 842 along with its 21 EMA. And I don't believe this is going to be the end of the world because this is Tesla, guys. Tesla is a high volatile stock. It is a high beta stock. So I do believe that half of the time, Tesla does not obey its 21 EMA at all. We see that it is always violating its EMA. So the EMA is not that useful on Tesla, to be honest with you guys. But it is still useful on the indices. So if Tesla drops, loses the 842, I believe we could retest the 800s over here, and then Tesla is going to be bearish. Well, not necessarily yet, because the indices would remain incredibly bullish. And Tesla is not going to turn bearish with the indices in a bull trend. Tesla is very volatile, yes, indeed. However, it is still highly correlated to the overall market's sentiment. We do gotta understand, this is why it is very important for us to analyze the broader market as well. Because if you only look at Tesla, we're gonna be oblivious to whatever is going on outside of our own bubble over here. So to me, if we see Tesla losing 842, it's going to frustrate the bullish thesis. Yes, it will. However, I don't believe Tesla is going to actually reverse as long as the indices remain their bull trends as well. So even if Tesla corrects, I believe that's okay. That's totally plausible. What if Tesla reacts from here? Then great. Awesome. I do believe Tesla is going to retest 955 next. Potentially, we are going to break this resistance level. But most likely, we're going to break it because Tesla is triggering pivot points, bullish pivot points all around. So yeah, I believe we're going to break it. So far, the trend is still bullish. I have a personal target at 955. And since the trend is bullish, since we don't see any bearish reversal structure, only a top sign on the indices and the possibility of Tesla losing the support level, I see no technical reason to change my original target. Right now, I will keep with the 955. Of course, this could change, yes, but right now, since we lack bearish structures, the trend is still bullish. So right now, let's keep our eyes open on QQQ, especially on QQQ, and when around this support level at 842. These are the most important key points for Tesla right now. And if you're still watching this video, remember, subscribe this channel. You probably like it, the content. So seriously, subscribe this channel. I firmly believe you appreciated our insights. Click on the like button to support me and subscribe my newsletters as well, because I do believe these newsletters are going to be very helpful to you guys, all right? So thank you very much for your support, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.